Ito yung masasabi kong highlight ng Boracay trip namin. And here's why. Ito nga pala yung pangalawang araw namin sa Boracay and we availed the Red Whale Yacht. Basically, this is a party boat and ang dami kong nakikitang reviews na sobrang enjoyable daw dito kaya we tried it. Meron nga pala itong 2 schedules in a day, may morning and sa amin naman na tinry namin is the Sunset Cruise which will last for 4 hours with 3 stopping points to do all of the activities included. And yes, the main reason kung bakit sulit to is maraming activities na kasama to. Katulad na nga lang ng relaxing sunbathing net, rooftop beach beds, access to captain deck, and water sliding. Na akala ko kayang-kaya kong gawin but obviously sinukuan ko. Nakalula pala kapag nandun ka na sa tuktok pero yung asawa ko enjoy na enjoy. And if thrill seeker ka, meron silang cliff diving. You can also do snorkeling, free diving with free use of snorkeling gears like fins. And out of all the activities there, ang pinaka gusto ko talaga dito is the extreme speedboat tour na talaga mapapasigaw ka and very very worth it. And sa part na yan, very sulit na. And alam nating hindi makukomplete ang Boracay mo kung hindi ka makakapag-crystal kayak with this photo na kasama din sa package. At sa laki nga ng boat, sobrang daming photo spots. And kung solo traveler ka, worrying if sino magpipicture sa'yo, don't worry kasi ang gagaling mag-photo netong mga staff nila dito. I-instruct ka pa nila kung paano mag-posing. And it's like, para kang may paparazzi sa loob kasi sila na yung magpo-photo sa'yo with free use of all the cameras they have. And yes, nakakagutom siya given na 4 hours kaya they have unlimited snacks. But if you're craving for a noodles, yes, they also have Korean noodles here. But if you're on a diet, they also have fruits na nakailang balik kami lalo for this mango. And of course, this isn't a party without a liquor. Yes, for unlimited cocktails. But if you have other options for liquor, they have an additional charge na. But if you don't drink at all, they have juice naman. Talagang drink till you drop habang may DJ on board. And grabe the energy. Simula na sumampa kami dito, walang ka-doll time. May sounds, may sayawan, may unlimited drinks, tapos yung mga crews solid kasi ang kukulit nila, super accommodating and energetic. Meron pa silang pa-candle kasi birthday ko nung time na yan. Tapos just when you thought na tapos na, bigla pa lang may water gun fight. And after all the hype, ending it with the sunset watching. Also made a YT video for this, go watch it.